Abyss, meaning pronunciation. Abyss. An abyss is a very deep or vast space, often referring to a deep, dark, or bottomless area. It can also be used figuratively to describe something that is extreme or endless, such as a situation, feeling, or problem. Simple meaning: abyss equals a deep or bottomless space / an extreme situation. Common uses. 1. Abyss noun, literal. A very deep, often unfathomable or dark space, like the ocean or a pit. Example: the divers explored the abyss of the ocean to find new marine species. 2. Abyss noun, figurative. A situation or condition that seems endless or extremely bad. Example: the country seemed to be falling into an abyss of economic crisis. 3. Abyss noun, emotional / mental, a deep, overwhelming feeling or state of mind. Example: after the loss of her job, she felt like she was falling into an abyss of despair. Examples: daily use sentences. 1. The deep ocean is an abyss that remains largely unexplored. 2. The country's political instability is pushing it closer to an economic abyss. 3. He stared into the abyss of the dark cave, unsure of what was inside. 4. The flood caused widespread damage, and the community was on the edge of an abyss. 5. After hearing the bad news, she felt like she was falling into an emotional abyss. Real-life explanation. The word abyss typically describes something extremely deep, like an ocean trench, or an emotional state that feels endless or overwhelming. It often has a negative or frightening connotation when used figuratively.